All right, we are live with another Uptick demo. Hello, my name is Sebastian Nelson. If you're new here, I'm one of the co-founders here at Uptick. First and foremost, I'm a TikTok shop seller myself, so I understand the struggles of working with affiliates on this platform. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the strategies that I use to not only get higher quality affiliate videos, but also more videos out of each sample we send out. So when you invest, cost of goods and shipping into a sample and you just get one mediocre video in return, it's impossible to scale that profitably. So here at Uptick, we are going to show you essentially a suite of tools that we use that enable us to get a much higher quality and quantity of videos from each sample we send out. So let's jump into the demo. Here we are on the main dashboard. This is where you're going to create all of your campaigns. So each campaign is essentially an outreach type. So you can either target new affiliates with an invite, you can target new affiliates with a DM, as you can see here, invite, DM, or you can target them with both. That's for new affiliates. You can also upload your own list as a CSV file, or you can choose a CRM group if you're doing DM, and we'll explain a lot into what all those features are later on. Just to start, let's say you are just starting out on TikTok Shop and you want to get some affiliates. Your best bet is doing an invite campaign. For example, we can name it Product 1 Invites. This is where you'll be able to set the affiliate parameters and specify exactly the type of affiliate that's going to be good for your brand. So you'll be able to select the product category, the follower count, follower age, follower gender, GMV, units sold, average views per video, engagement rate, and whether they're fast growing or not. We pull from our own database of 813,000 affiliates, so there's plenty of affiliates for you to target. This is where we're going to input our product ID. I'll go grab one and be right back. So once you put in your product ID, you'll see it'll populate here with an image and also the title. Then you can input the commission and you can add multiple products to each target collab if you'd like. Then we'll click next. And by the way, you'll pull the product ID from your seller center. So then we can type in our title. So example, product 1. This will show up in Seller Central Outreach. Then we'll type our message. So we can say, hey, add affiliate name. And we'd love to collab, something along those lines. I'd recommend giving a little bit more information about your brand, about your products. Why is it going to make them more money than another product per se? So invite expiration date, you can put in your contact email, and then you'll select send free samples. This will offer a free sample to each affiliate. Oh, excuse me, I just sneezed. So you'll input your contact email and then automatically approve free samples. This is typically something we would recommend turning off and not putting this on. This will automatically approve anybody who requests a free sample. I would highly recommend keeping that off. Then you'll hit finish. And you'll see it'll populate here, and we can start that up, and that'll start sending about 4,000 messages each and every single day to those affiliates in that campaign. Cool. So we also have the email function. This is where you can access our private database of email addresses for affiliates. So you can sort by those same metrics that we have on the campaigns page, and then you can download them as a CSV for you to target. We also have the metrics page. This is where you can search all of your creators. You can search by GMV, what status they are in their sample process, and see essentially like how is your affiliate program doing? Is it getting better? Is it getting worse? And what can you tweak? So this is where you can get those insights. The groups page is really where we start to get really granular on how to improve the quantity and quality of these creator videos. So we like to set up what we call flows. Essentially, it'll be a series of messages that aim to, like we said, increase the quantity and quality of videos. So for example, as soon as a sample is ready to ship, so you've approved that sample request and the sample the affiliate is sitting in the ready to ship category. We can call this RTS demo. Well, we can create a group for that type of affiliate. And then now we can go create a campaign that targets those affiliates. So those affiliates are all accepted into the program. So we should send them a welcome message, welcoming them to the brand and giving them a little bit of backstory on the brand. Why does this brand matter? Why should this product matter to them, right? You want to make it more than just an abstract brand. Make it personal and give them some emotional attachment to your brand, your story. That way they care, right? These affiliates get tons and tons of messages every single day. You need to separate yourself, and this is a one way to do that. So that'll be the first message we send. The second one will be a message on shipped. So as you can see here, I already have it set up. So you would set up shipped, Flywheel, DM, CRM group. So a flywheel essentially allows you to provide affiliates with the top performing videos from other creators automatically. So every time a sample ships, we can set up this campaign. So we would create a group for shipped back in the groups. Then we would create a campaign targeting that group. We would add a product ID if you want. I would leave this blank for shipped. Then we could add an image. The image, I would recommend adding the relevant hooks, the relevant sales angles, and the relevant incentives that you want these affiliates to be using and targeting in their videos. So almost like a cheat sheet for each product. The next thing is a message instructing them to click the link below to view top performing videos from other creators for them to recreate. Let them know that the videos you're linking have generated X amount in GMV. And then you would come and select a flywheel. Now I'm going to show you over here what the flywheels are. So you can see we selected this one. Essentially what this is going to be is it's going to be a custom link with any videos you want to add that are top videos of your product. So you can easily create one here. You can add links manually, or you can select from Shop's Top 20 and it'll automatically pull your Shop's Top 20 videos. Flywheel name, this will be internal facing, so just product one. Short headline, this will be outward facing on the top of the screen right here. So I would recommend saying something like, hey, check out these videos to recreate. They've generated XXX in GMV. Then you can add links manually. Let's say you're doing a cold launch and you want to start with something and you don't have videos in your own shop. You can add videos via a link. The next thing we have is Spark Ads. This allows you to automatically request and vault Spark Ads codes. So for example, if we wanted to set that up, we would create a group for the type of affiliate we want to collect a Spark Ads code from. So for example, let's say we want 100 GMV as the minimum for a Spark Ads request. So we'd put 100 GMV in there. We would create the group. We'd come back to campaigns. I already have one here, so we'll go through this one, Spark Ads request. We would select DM, CRM group to target that group we just made. We would find that group we just made. It was Spark Ads request. We'd click next. Next, then we would add a message like, hey, we'd love to get your Spark Ads code. When you get a chance, please input them on this link so we can potentially run them as ads. PS, you'll still get commission on ad sales. And then you would add this Spark Ads right here. Once you save that and finish, every time a creator hits that 100 GMV threshold, it will send them a link where they can input their Spark Ads. Once they do so, they'll populate here for easy access where you can search by GMV, view count, or handle and access the Spark Ads code all in one place. The next is the My Videos page. This is where you're going to be able to sort videos by GMV, view count, post date, or handle. And you can basically just get a good grasp on who's performing the best, what videos are performing the best, and access them all in one place. Next up, we have the profit calculator. This is very helpful if you're just launching a brand or you're just bringing a brand on TikTok Shop and you want to figure out how many samples you can send out and still be profitable with any specific product. So let's say we're selling a product for $29.99. We want to offer 25% commission. We have, let's say, 1,000 units to start. Let's put shipping at $5 and the cost of goods at $5. So right now we can quickly calculate that we're at a 52% margin before samples. So if we sell 1,000 units with no samples sent out, we'll be at a 52% margin. But if we send out, let's say, 200 samples to sell the remaining 800 for 1,000 total, we would be at a 35% margin. And you can quickly, save these. For example, this one we could call 30 and 25% commission, 30, 25. And then you can create a new one, 30, 30. See what 30% commission looks like. And then you'll be able to access them all right here. So that is all of the features of Uptick. Essentially, our goal with everything is to optimize your shop's affiliate program, make things automated and streamlined so you can focus on the real things that will increase your GMV, right? Setting up all these automations will allow you to focus on the things that really matter in your business and can push you forward rather than the arduous, time-consuming tasks of manual outreach and manual management. So we do offer a 72-hour free trial. If you want to go ahead and claim that, just go to uptk.io. That's uptk.io. We were formerly uptick.app, but we've since rebranded to uptk.io. It's still pronounced Uptick. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please join our Discord or shoot us an email, info@uptk.io. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys later.